Good morning, viewers. Good morning, my dear students. Shivam, Ashmita, Sneha, Krishna, Premanti.
Morning.
Okay, good morning. How are you, all of you, my dear? Fine? Okay, good. So, chapter number 3 is going on money and credit. Money and credit. And yes, so topic for the day is check payments. Check payments. Okay, modern forms of the money. This topic is going on. Last time I taught you about the currency notes, coins, then digital payment. Okay, Phone Pay, Beam Pay, Google Pay, and many more are there. ATM card, debit card, credit card you also using. Okay, so one topic that we will cover today, that topic is check payments. Have you ever used checks? Have you ever seen check? Have you seen? Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
very good. Now, what are the benefits of the check? Is there any benefit of the check? Yes or no, Vedic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good, good. So this is a like a paper leaf. See, before mobile banking, internet banking, digital payments like phone pay, Beam Pay, okay, it, such things. Before such things, before digital payments, internet banking, we, I mean, our means the public they were using the checks. Even today, okay, uh, checks are used for the settlement of the payment. For the settlement of the payment, till date we are using. Okay, so we have different type of the checks, different types of the checks. If you see your book, okay, check payments. So somewhere you will find they have mentioned like this is your check. So here they have mentioned account pay. Account pay. Okay. Okay. Let us discuss what the very first is about. Okay. Account pay. So what does it mean? Account pay.
Money will directly transfer in the account.
Directly transfer in the account because here they have mentioned about the account pay. Account pay. And if you don't write account pay, okay, another option is there. If you strike it, if you will strike the corner, okay, left top corner of the check, that is your check written. So what does it mean? What does it mean? If you will strike in this case, okay, and let I have mentioned your name. The name of person is Mr. Prem. Mr. Prem. The name of the person is Mr. Prem. Okay. Let I issue a check leave to this person, Mr. Prem. Okay. So if I am writing or if I am not writing, Prem, but I am going to struck the top left side of the check. So what does it mean, really? If you will get it, that you get it. Somebody, okay, I issued this check to the Mr. Prem, but unfortunately Mr. Prem lost it. Okay, unfortunately he lost it, and fortunately you got it. So can you reduce the check to the nearby branch? Can you get the money? Do you think then bank will give you? Yes, anybody? You people can respond.
No, sir, it will not give.
Oh, bank implies that clerk will not give you better because it is crossed Now this is the secured. These are called secured check. Okay, secured. Got it? If anybody will get, for him this is, or for her this is useless. Okay. Here, this like this checks, generally like this checks. Okay, they are transferred in the account. Now, let your okay. I did not mention the name of Mr. Prem. Now you got it and you wrote your name Gopal. Okay, you wrote your name Gopal. Definitely it will, okay, the bank implies that clerk will transfer the amount, that amount is that 30,000 rupees. So this 30,000 rupees will be transferred in your account, okay? And keep
Yes,
in
sir.
mind that, so what will happen? Let the person lost the check, okay? Lost the Mr. Prem. I issued to Mr. Prem only, but Prem unfortunately lost, and you got it, and you reduced to the bank, and bank also transferred. Now there is only one safety. The safety is who got it. So it will be very easy to trace you. It will be very easy to trace you. Got it? Okay. So once you will be traced out, then it is easy to take back the money. Okay. So why do we struck for the security? What is the reason? There is only one reason, that is the security of the check billing. Got it? And that is the open check. Open. I wrote here yourself. Yourself. Rupees 30,000. And here I have mentioned the date 38 August 2021. Yourself. Got it? So if it will be lost, anybody can produce and can take can get some money from the bank. Bank may give cash in hand. Cash in hand. Okay, if you will ask, okay, give me cash. So that clerk of the bank will give you the cash in hand only. So then it will be very difficult to trace. No doubt CCTVs are there, but it is very, okay, it will be very lengthy process and tedious also. Okay, it will be very difficult to trace that particular person. So in your life, okay, in your life when you grow up, maybe you will definitely be using these checks in your life, in your day-to-day life. So go for either account paying or cross one. It should not be very much open. Okay, no doubt nowadays we are not using. Okay, the use of check is definitely falling, but in business field we are using. In the business, that you are the industrialist, businessman, okay, entrepreneurs. So we have to use. Okay. So you please follow the instructions. Follow the guidelines. Now next point. See, I mentioned here date 38 20 21. Got it? And now that I am giving 1,000 rupees, okay, to attend this class. Let it, okay. There is no any, okay. For example, you are attending and I am giving you reward, okay. Or let I conducted one test, and that in that test you people perform like anything. So as a reward, I am giving you 1,000. So I mentioned today's day, the day when I issued this check, okay, and your name also. Date is 38 2021. So my question is there. My question is this, Vijay. Okay, now the date is 01 Okay, 2022. You forgot in between. In between, you forgot. Okay, to produce the check in any branch. Okay, or nearby branch on the date 1st January 2022. Okay. Suddenly it struck in your mind, okay, I got one check from the sir and also sir has given me a check. Now I want to produce the check in the bank. So do you think bank will give you the money? So my question is, let me know about the life of the check from the date of issue. How long this check will be valid from the date of
4
issue?
months.
And
4 months. 4
4
months.
months. Okay. Other people can also participate. Please let me know, Vivek. Only 3 students they responded. 4 or 3 months. Let me earlier was a 6-month period. Now I think 3 months only. Only 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Duration of 3 months.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Even after 1 day of this time period, that the after 3 months 1 day, if next day you will be going to the bank or asking them to give the money or transfer the money or entertain the check, bank will not entertain with it because that is expired check or set means the time period or lifetime of that particular check is over now. Okay, like a dead person. So the check will die. Okay, the lifetime is there. Okay, life is there of the check. Got it? Next point. Next point. Okay, these are the points which I am sharing with you. Next point. Let I wrote 1000 earlier. Now I want to. Okay. I forgot. Okay. Now I decided to write 2. So what I did? This 1 was there. Now I wrote like 1, but is converted into 2. Okay. Alex, I crossed and I wrote 2000 now. Means overwriting. Overwriting. What is my third? The next point is overwriting. So do you think if overwriting is there on the check, that check will be entertained by the bank or not? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
Yes. Okay? Not at all. Got it? Even you cannot use like sometimes we are using whitener. No way. Okay? So smallest overwriting will not be entertained. Okay, bank will can say, or generally they say, okay, no, I will not entertain. I will not either give you the money or transfer in your account. Yes. Another point, next point, generally there is an account of the person. So my account number will be here. Alright. I am the account holder who wanted to issue check. So my account will be here. Account number. Okay. So there is an account number on all the leaves of the checkbook. All the leaves of the checkbook. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay. Next to it, there you will find here only below it. Okay. Bank name, like for example SBI. So SBI branch, like SBI branch, Garchandur, for example. Okay, Garchandur. So logo will be there, bank name will be there, Not only bank name and branch address also. Branch address. Okay. So branch address and what is the code of the branch? Code. Generally, they are using the code like post office code number, okay, or like your mobile number to address you, to call you, or to talk with you. So we are using your numbers. So code number is mobile number. So the same way code number for all the branches, because there are thousands of branches of each one. Each one means like SBI, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, HDFC, ICICI, okay, and so on, already. So they generally they mention code. Now here you will find the check number. Check number. So this is very interesting point. Got it? Generally, those who are the new guys and have not seen the check. So when you will transfer the check, got it? When you go to the branch, so there you go to the field. Okay, receipts are available there. So you have to fill the receipts. There is one column that is for the check number. Now generally people they are confused, okay, or they got stuck. No. So on the bottom line, if you talk about this bottom line, first check number will be there. Okay, very first is check number. Next is the coding used by the, okay, here coding. This coding is used by the banking system. Got it? So don't mention the coding and this check number, both are different. So the very first numbers, got it? They are related to the check number. Okay. Next, here let the sign. Put your sign. Okay. And this sign, okay, let I sign over here. So my sign must match. I am using the word must match. Got it? So the
Yes.
bank employee will scan my signature. Scan with it. If both the signs are matching, then bank will issue. Okay, means bank implies they can go for the further process. Otherwise, they will terminate. Okay, so process will not be mature in case of mismatching of signatures. Okay. Anything else you want to ask? Any question from this check?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is about the check payments. Okay, check payments. Now there is one question in the book. Do you have books? Page number 44.
Yes, sir.
Page number 44. Please open the page number 44. Let us work these out. Let's work these out. So see the very first question. Okay. So the slave want to withdraw 20,000 in cash by making the payments. How would he write a check to money withdraw? Okay. So these are the formality which you have to mention about the 20,000 rupee. 20,000 rupee. Amount paid afterward. Second point, you have to mention the date. Third, you have to mention the amount also. Fourth, whom he is going to pay the money. So here he can mention the name. Okay, like Mr. Atul. Or he can also mention the account number. Got it? Yes. So first of all, there will be
Yes,
the
sir.
blank. First, you may cross it, or you may mention account pay. Here the name of the person, date, date. Got it? That I am writing in case of 30, 39. Yeah. 30 September 2021. Okay, so listen very carefully. Today I issued one check. Today I give only. I want to give you a check today. Here I mentioned 30th September 2021. Now my question is there. Can you produce this? Can you produce this check leave to any branch or nearby branch? Do you think the branch manager or employees will give you the money or transfer the money in your account today or tomorrow? Or at what time they will generally transfer the money in your account? Earlier I wrote here, okay, see here, 30th November. Waiting for your response now. Please, waiting for your reply, my dears. See, here I wrote November. Actually, this is up to August. August is going to over. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you have to wait for 1 month. So keep in mind, be careful about the date. That you there is a emergency of the fund. There is an emergency of the fund. So you must mind the date when a person is giving you check. Okay, you are the paying. So who is the payer? So what date is mentioned by the payer? That must be observed by the students or you people. Okay, so signature, amount, okay, date. These are the things generally you should observe. Okay, you should always mind. Clear, bete? Now question number 2, bete. Q2. Q2. Pick the correct option after the transaction between Salim and Prem. After the transaction between Salim and Prem. Now, what would happen after the transactions? So 3 situations are given. Salim balance in his account increases and Prem's balance increases. Do you think the bank balance of both the person increases, payer and payee?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Second option, Salim's balance in his bank account decreases, whereas Prem's increases.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, if I will issue 20,000 rupees, so 20,000 rupees will be deducted from my account. Okay. So minus in my account and plus will be in your account. Okay. So plus and minus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will be withdrawn from my account and will be deposited in your account. So this is the correct. Question number 3. Okay. Q3. And Q3 is, why are demand deposits considered as money? Means demand deposits are considered as money. Should I explain? Why demand deposit? First of all, this demand deposit must be clear. This demand deposit must be clear. So the meaning of the demand deposit, how many have in bank account? As many as?
Yes, sir. I am having.
Okay, very nice. Good. So I think most of you have bank account. Got it? Now You people are you deposit every month maybe 2,000, 5,000, 1 crore, 2 crore. Okay. Let us consider 1 crore and 2 crore. Okay. Let us enjoy the feeling of 1 crore. Okay. So that amount 1,000 or 10,000 in your account, in your bank account, which you deposit. Okay. Don't you think that you cannot withdraw the amount anytime?
We can.
We
You
can.
can.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, that is your money, bete. That is your money. You are the owner. Okay. And that money should be in the saving account. Another option, saving account means open account. Open saving account means there should not be the FDs, fixed deposits. That you have 50,000 rupees in your bank account, and what you get 40,000 rupees FDs for the period of next 1 year. For the period of next 1 year. On day today, what you did? There was a 50,000 rupees in your bank account, and you what you did? You decided for 40,000 FDs for the period of 1 year. So can you withdraw before the period of 1 year that this not 40,000?
No, sir.
So we
No,
cannot.
sir.
Yes. So do you think where you will be getting more rate of interest on 10,000 or 40,000? This is the
Only 10,000.
where this is your FD of 40,000 and this is your 10,000 rupees open in your saving account. Okay. So where on 40 for 40,000 or for 10,000 you will be getting higher rate of interest.
40,000.
40,000. Yes, this is your FD. If bank is assured that you will not withdraw before the period of 1 year, so bank will offer you maybe will be offering you high rate of interest and low rate of interest for the saving, open saving. And this 10,000 you can withdraw anytime. Anytime is by 12 o'clock midnight, 1 o'clock midnight. Your choice. How you can withdraw by this time? Let me know it.
ATM card.
Okay. Any other option? Option number 2.
Taking as loan.
Oh, midnight. Who will be giving you loan? Condition is there that this is the 2 o'clock midnight, 1 o'clock midnight. How you can withdraw the money from your bank account.
By ATM only.
Okay. Now see digital payment digital. Yet you want to give money to someone. Okay. That you have taken your maybe if you go to the metropolitan cities, so metropolitan cities keep on running. Okay. Even during the night time also that you want to book your air ticket, railway ticket, or that you want to purchase something online. Got it? Okay, they may be anything. Okay, so you decided. Okay, you woke up by mid o'clock. Okay, this is the right time to book the ticket or purchase online something. Sometimes there are certain offers by the online shopping companies. Okay, so offer start. Okay, 12 o'clock midnight. So you can use your credit card, banking, digital payments then and there. Okay, you can use your UPI. UPI. What is the full form of UPI? This is a question for you. Please let me know the full form of UPI. Anyone?
Unified Payment Interface.
Unified payment interface.
Face.
Good. Nandini, I think you responded very good.
Yes, sir.
I think you people are also very much familiar with the UPI. Okay, we are using this UPI. Okay. Unified payment interface. Yes. Ashmita. Good. Got it? So we must know about these words and these things, new terms. And things are changing very fastly, very fast. Before demonetization, things were totally different. People they were not using this. Phone Pay, Bhim Pay, okay, Google Pay, and so on. Okay, the usage of these things was very low. Okay, it means the usage of the digital currency was very low in the economy. But see, after demonetization, now everyone is using. If you want to take samosa, pan puri, yes or no? Pan puri.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
there you will find the same. You will find this payment system. Okay. So see, now things are changing and it is not very hard and very difficult to use these new techniques, new methods, okay, or new methods of the payments. Got it? So we are the human and human can learn things, okay, over a period of time. It may be difficult in the beginning, but over a period of time, things becomes very easy, very simple. So next topic that we will discuss next time, title of the topic is loan activities of banks. Loan activities of bank. Are you familiar with the loan activities of the bank? Is there any benefit of the giving or issuing the loan to the individual industrialist by the bank?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so see you next time. So you do one thing, Bete. Please go through the loan activities of bank. This is very interesting. Loan activities of banks. See, we have commercial banks and the commercial banks. On the one hand, when you talk about the commercial banks, in the commercial banks, private and public banks. Can you give me the example of private banks and public banks? First of all, private banks. Private banks. Please share the example. Okay, please let me know about the name of few private banks which are operating. Yes. HDFC.
Sir, ICICI.
Yes.
ICICI. Okay.
Axis Bank.
Axis Bank.
Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Kotak Mahindra Bank. Good. And these banks you will find over Chandrapur also very. IndusInd Bank. See in front of or what is the name of that restaurant which I am not getting now? There is a very famous restaurant in Chandrapur, giving sweets and also breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Do you know the name of that restaurant? Okay, I am not getting, but there you will find Rasraj. Yes. In front of Rasraj, there is the IndusInd Bank. Okay. Means in that particular area, you will get IndusInd Bank. Okay. So IndusInd Bank is also private bank. Kotak Mahindra, Yes Bank, Dena Bank. Okay. Small Union Bank and Federal Bank of India. Axis, this is what you told. Okay. So there are, we can say, number of the private banks. Okay, those who are operating in the economy. In the same way, we have public banks also, public banks. So such as SBI. Let me know the name of few public banks.
RBI.
Public bank. That is central bank of the country.
Punjab
SBI.
National Bank.
SBI,
Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Indian Bank, UCO Bank,
Canada Bank.
Canada Bank,
Indian Overseas
Bank of Maharashtra.
Bank of Maharashtra. Yes. Okay. So these are the banks. Apart from banks, there are cooperative societies also. Cooperative societies. Are you familiar with the cooperative societies? There is a one cooperative society, the branch of cooperative societies over there in your Gadchandur, okay? I think very either left or right side of this Swati government.
Yes, sir.
CDSL. What is the name of CDSL? Chandrapur? Exactly, I am not getting the name, but there is one branch of cooperative societies. Okay, Chandrapur Credit, I think something is there, the name. Okay, so like this, you will find in every state. When you talk about my state, so there is a Kangra Cooperative Banks, Grameen Bank. Okay, and we have also foreign bank, HSBC, Citibank. Okay, and don't think that Indian commercial banks are not operating in the rest of the world. You will find the branches of SBI. For example, SBI in the rest of the world also. If you will find in nearby country, that is Nepal. Not only Nepal, means many countries of the world, including developed countries. Then Bank of Baroda, BOB, Bank of Baroda. So particularly Middle East countries and African countries, you will find the branches of these banks. Okay, my dears.
Yes, sir.
So who is the governor of RBI?
Shaktikanta Das.
Shanti या शक्ति कांता दास?
Shaktikanta Das. Shaktikanta Das.
शक्ति कांता दास. Male or female?
Male.
Male.
Okay. So where is the headquarter of Reserve Bank of India? Chandrapur? Where is the headquarter of Reserve Bank of India? Nagpur or Chandrapur or Mumbai? Or then Delhi or Kolkata?
Mumbai.
Mumbai, yes. Good. You are very clever guys, intelligent guys, as always. Okay. So thank you for your participation today. Happy
Thank you, sir.
Janmashtami. Happy Janmashtami.
Same to you, sir.
thank you, sir.
Sir.
I wish for the
Thank you, sir.
prosperity in your life.
Thank you, sir.
God
Thank
bless
you, sir.
Please keep on writing the notes and please keep on learning. Okay, please don't overlook and neglect this economics. So by learning less, you can get maximum. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Goodbye.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks.